Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today in our preventive maintenance series, we're going to discuss the hydrostatic valve. A hydrostatic valve is a pressure relief device installed on the bottom of a swimming pool which prevents groundwater pressure beneath the pool from damaging the liner or even physically raising the swimming pool out of the ground. The hydrostatic valve achieves this by allowing groundwater to flow into the pool, thereby relieving the pressure on the liner. This process typically only occurs when the swimming pool is empty or does not have the necessary weight to counterbalance the effects of groundwater pressure. A hydrostatic valve, or a hydrostatic relief valve, relies on a spring-loaded, one-way valve that keeps the pool water in but opens to allow high-pressure groundwater into the pool. These devices are often included as a part of the main drain system.